Hi everyone, so I've come to share a project with you, which is a little guest design team spot. I couldn't get that out then. A guest design team spot for LineDotArrow, and I will link the kits that I used below. There was two kits that I used, one called Collage Tear Pages 1 and the other one was Collage Tear Pages 2. So they will be linked below. I will also link LineDotArrow's YouTube channel, so go over and follow if you don't already. She does some lovely kits and she also does tutorials, and she's made some amazing journals with her own kits and other things as well. So her name is Natalie. So right, what I've made is an altered paper bag with a Trifold folio with a journal inside. Right, so that was a tongue twister as well. So like I said, I've used everything from her kit, haven't used anything else whatsoever apart from cardstock, and I've used Tim Holtz People. That's the only thing. And I was inspired by Natalie's video that she had done. It was a 2 or 3 parter on a kind of folio type journal that she had done, so I got a lot of inspiration from that as well. Right, the bag measures 9 by 6. The folio, when it's opened out completely, measures 13.5 by 18 height, and I will show you that first because I had lots of fun doing this. So let me just make sure I'm in frame. Excuse me. The folio is made using really thick paper bags, brown paper bags, and there is a thick book page in between it as well, so it's nice and sturdy. Love how this came out. I really did enjoy making this. Okay, so that's the back, done stitching around everywhere as well. Got this idea from Natalie, and that she had done in one of her journals. So it's one of the pages that you get, and that's like normally would be a white piece, so cut that out, put some vellum. No, actually I didn't use vellum, it was the laminate paper, and that's what Natalie had used. I never thought of using that before because I always thought it was like a funny colour until it went through the laminator, but that came out absolutely fine. In between, that's 2 pieces folded in half. In between there I'll just run a little piece of glue so that this little tag wasn't gonna fall all the way down and you won't be able to get it. So like I said, this was inspired by Natalie. So that's one of the little journaling like cabinet cards that she has in one of them kits. Now I don't know which kit is which now, so it's either Collage Tear Page 1 or 2 because I used things from both. Little tab there, that goes in there. The labels are from her kit. This is a double layered like oval book plate type thing. So you can actually choose which ones you want to top these with. The Tim Holtz People, and I just made a journaling card there which has all been stitched. That's using one of the collage pages. That goes in there like that. Now I wasn't sure whether to put a tab on that. Let me just grab one. Wasn't sure whether to put a tab on that or not, or even put the tab there, but then because I'd already stitched that, it kind of would have looked nice with the stitching going right through. But what I will do is I'm just going to pop that inside, because this will be for sale in my shop, and if you buy it, the little tab's going to be in there for you to decide for yourself. Okay, right, then I made this pocket here just using the collage pages. Again, using the collage pages to make some pockets, tore some of the paper up, got some cheesecloth behind here, some Tim Holtz People there, a little oval, a little number plate there. Using some of the other collage papers, I made some tags and put some tabs on the top. Again, using the collage paper, put the little cabinet cards on there. Don't know if that's a little girl or a little boy, but anyway, cute as heck. And these little tags come from the kit. Then the folio, sorry, not the folio, the actual little journal bit in there is just blank pages for you to write on, because when you think about how many the pockets that are in this, and all the tags and everything, you can write on the back of everything. You can tuck more things into it. So this has been coated with this stuff, the Gel Brilliant Gloss, so it's nice and shiny, and it's sewn in 3-hole pamphlet stitch. Again, I used this same piece of paper there just to make a smaller little window pocket on this double pocket. Little Tim Holtz little guy there, little cabinet card, and then that's some of the paper from the kit, and I just punched. These have been backed, some of these have been backed onto like the brown paper bag, because it's really thick, that stuff. So that's actually opened there and there, and I backed that with some paper from the kit. You get that tag, which is from the kit, or one of the kits, and another tag that I made from one of the pages, and that is the back of there. This actually took me ages to do. Here we have another pocket there, Tim Holtz People, another little double book plate type thing. That's the back of there. Another tag using one of the collage pages. Another tag using the collage pages and one of the cabinet cards. And then that's one of the tags from the kit. And that goes in there. And then here I just made a little side tuck, and inside there, that's the back of that, we have a little journal card tag with a pocket, little tag in there, tab on there, coffee dyed paper sewn onto the back of there. This little pocket comes from the kit, one of the oval, what do you call them, labels, and a little Tim Holtz People. And the back is just like that. So that's how that goes, like that. I love that idea that she done, and I hope she don't mind me stealing that idea. She did show you how to do it, so obviously you know, when somebody shows you how to make something, then it's there for you to make. So the paper bag is just using the collage papers. Just tore up some of the scrap pieces that I had left over from some of the other collage pages from that kit. This little ticket here is from the kit, and little Tim Holtz People. I like saying that, Tim Holtz People. Another tag using one of the pages from our kit, and I love these images, they're so nice. And we have these two here. So they all go in there. 7 tags stuffed in there. And then these two. Actually feeling really tired today. I'm not quite with it. So this is another 2 tags using the collage pages, and then add in the little cabinet cards on there. They're so cute. And there we have it. So that is what I made with that kit, or both them kits I should say. They're really lovely. They work well with the Tim Holtz People. And like I said, I will link everything down below. I will link the 2 kits that I used from LineDotArrow. I will link Natalie's YouTube as well, so go over and follow, please. And this will be listed in my shop. I do have other things listed in my shop if you're interested. So if you have any questions, just ask, and thanks for watching. Bye.